Can you compare these friends? Use these adjectives and create comparative and superlative sentences. Let's try some examples. 1. Tall. Nick is taller than John. But Adam is the tallest. 2. Happy. Kyle is happier than Mark. But Nick is the happiest. 3. Strong. John is stronger than Mark. But Kyle is the strongest. 4. Small. Kyle's swimming costume is smaller than Mark's. But John's swimming costume is the smallest. Well done. Let's try a quiz. Write the comparative and superlative sentences for each adjective. Ready? 1. Fat. 2. Short. 3. Sad. 4. Weak. 5. Thin. 6. Big. 'Great job!